Hey, what is going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys my top 15 widgets that you can get for your iPhone on iOS 13. These widgets are really cool, and of course most of them, if not all, are very useful as well and will help you out performing a lot of tasks faster on your iPhone, sometimes without even having to unlock your iPhone straight from the widgets panel. So here are my top 15 widgets for your iPhone on iOS 13. Starting off with the first one is called Widge Tunes. Now what it does, it allows you to play music straight out of the widget panel. So what you can do here is just go ahead, tap the arrow, and it will show you right here playlists, albums, and your favorites. These are of course the media that you have on the Apple Music app. So if you go to playlist, you will see your playlist. Here you will see the albums, and then you will have your favorite songs right there. You want to play one, just tap on it, and you can start playing right away here from the widget. So as you can see right here, the song is now playing. So you will of course have the controls as well. You will have the play pause button, you will have the next and previous buttons as well, and then right here we'll have the shuffle and the repeat buttons, which of course you can activate or deactivate directly from here. The next widget for the video is called DataMeter, and it allows you to basically monitor your data directly from the widgets panel. So you will have like two different areas right here. That one is for the cellular data. This one right here is for the Wi-Fi. And as you can see on real time right there, it will update the current download and upload speeds of your device. So whether you're downloading something like an app or something, or uploading something, you can see the current speeds right here on the widget. And here you can see also that little bar that says 0 bytes out of 4.5 gigs. What that does is that it will monitor how much data you have consumed out of your data plan. So if you tap right there, it will take you to the app, and if you go to total data, here you can set your threshold for the data that you want to use, and then of course you can monitor them directly from the widget. Fancy Days is a widget that will show you countdowns until a particular date that you can set through the app, of course. Now here we'll have all your dates, so if you tap on the arrow, it will of course expand and show you everything that you have set on the app. So we have here the weekend, Christmas, and New Year's Eve, and it will show me how many days are left until that date. Now if you go on the app, you can go ahead and set your dates right here. So just have the plus button, and you can enter any day you want, any date, and then you will see the countdown on the widget of the app. The next one is called Clipboard. Now what it does, it allows you to save any text that you have on your clipboard. So once you have a text copied on the clipboard, you can go ahead and go to the widgets panel. As you can see right there, it will detect that, and you can tap the plus button right there to save that. Now you go around on your device, you copy something else, and you need to get back that text that you have. All you gotta do is just go back to the widgets panel, just tap right there, and as you can see, it will copy it back to the clipboard. Now if you go right here, you can also go ahead and delete it, and if you go within the app, you will see everything that you have saved with this widget. SnapStats will show you everything you need to know regarding your device right here on the widgets panel. So you can see this is the widget right here, and it has a bunch of different sections. The first one will be the device section, where you will see the device's name, the operating system, you will see the platform there, the time zone, as well as the uptime of the device. Then you can go to the network, and here you will also see like different networks data. So you will see your cellular sent, cellular received, and Wi-Fi sent and received as well. Now if you go to battery, you will see just like a simple widget showing the percentage of the battery that you currently have on your iPhone, and then you will have your disk usage right here. So it shows the used and the free space on your disk. And then if you go to RAM, you will see the RAM memory. So you see the active RAM memory, the inactive, all the free RAM memory, and all that directly here on the widgets panel. iTranslate is a very useful one. It will translate anything that you have copied on the clipboard of your iPhone. So once you go to the widgets panel, you will see like all these flags here, and you can translate what you have copied on the clipboard directly from here simply by tapping one of the flags. So I tap on Spanish right there, and you can see it will actually go ahead and translate that into Spanish. Now if I want to copy that result right there, all I gotta do is just tap that button right there. You can see here on the right side, and you will have that copied on the clipboard of your device. XE currency is a very useful widget, especially if you travel a lot and you need to know the current currency rates, then this is the widget for you. As you can see right here, you can choose like a currency, like let's say dollars. You can choose that in the app of this widget, and then it will of course convert that into different currencies as well. So here I have dollars, $1, and then I have that in euros. Now if I tap the arrow right there, it will expand and it will show me the updated time and two little arrows right here that allow me to change to different currencies right here. So from euros, I can go to British pound, I can go here to Canadian dollar, so you can easily switch between different currencies and of course see the currency rates directly from here. And this is very useful, showing you the time right there when this has been updated, so you know you have the latest currency rates. Date and time is a simple widget, but I like this a lot. Now what it shows you here is everything you need to know about the current day. So it will show you the date right there, the date of course, you will have the clock on analog right there and on digital as well. Now if you tap that little arrow, it will show you the month, the week of the year, and also the day of the year. So we have like 10 days to go there, and we have then like third Saturday of December, and of course it will show you also the time zone in which your iPhone is. So everything you need to know about the current day will be right here on this widget called date and time. The next one is called usage. Now right here it will show you the usage of the RAM memory of your device. So you will have that chart right there, and you will also see here the active, inactive, and free RAM memory as well. Now if you tap the arrow, it will show you like more details. You will have this free space, and you will have the total gigabytes of your device and the used ones as well. And then here you will see like your cellular data and your Wi-Fi, how much you have sent and how much you have received, basically the downloads and uploads from your device. And right there it will also have like a theme, so you can choose the light theme or the dark theme directly from the widget here. Coyomi is a calendar widget. It will show you like the current month and the next month right here on the widgets panel. So you will have that little arrow right there. If you tap to expand, it will show you these two little other arrows which you can choose to go ahead and switch between different months. So you can go back or you can go forward, and you can see all the months of the year directly here. So you need to know any date or anything. You don't even need to open the calendar app. You don't even need to unlock your device. You just go ahead to the widgets panel. You can see all the months directly from here. The calculator will bring a full working calculator on the widgets panel. You don't need to use the calculator app. Everything can be done right here on the widgets panel. So you can do anything, like you can basically do any math you want here, and you're good to go without having to even open the calculator app. So you can expand it, of course, from here, or you can just minimize it to show just the last result right there. When you need to use it, of course, you can go ahead and expand it. You can see all the functions that you get on the calculator app can be found on the widget as well. World time will show you the time on different countries of the world. You can see the widget right here. I have the time for New York, London, Moscow, and Singapore as well. Now you can notice here the three clocks on the right side are white, the one here on the left is black. Now what that means is that it will indicate whether it's daytime or nighttime on that country. So based on the color of the clock, you can know whether there is date or nighttime on that country. Now if you tap right there, it will take you of course to the app where you can add more cities, or you can go ahead and see details regarding one of the cities that you have on the widget. So if you tap right there, it will show you more details about the sunrise, day length, sunset, and all that regarding the city that you choose. Today Weather is one of the best weather widgets that you can get for your iOS 13 device. I really love this one because it's simple, and of course it shows you all the details you need to know about the weather forecast. So here I have New York. It shows you overcast, clouds, then it shows you today, the highs and lows for today, and of course the current temperature. Now if you tap on the arrow, it will expand and of course will show you right here the temperature based hourly. So on each hour it will show you how the temperature will be, and of course the weather conditions right there. Shoppylist is very useful. You go shopping, you will have all your stuff here on the widget. You don't need to unlock your device, you just go to the widgets panel, and you have bought something, you just tap on it and it will directly remove it from the widget here on the widgets panel. So you can see once you're done, just tap on that item that you have already purchased and it's gone. Now if you go on the app, of course, here you can create your list. You can tap to add different items right there, and once you have done that, it will be added directly to the list here, which you can find of course on the widget. Again, once you're done, just tap on any of them and they will be removed from the shopping list. And last but not least is a widget called Steve. Of course, I had to put a fun one here. This one allows you to play a fun game directly from the widgets panel. So you're bored, you want to kill some time, or you're waiting for something, you just want to play a quick game, you can do that with this widget called Steve. So what it does, you tap play and you can play this game with this dinosaur. Now this is the game that you get on Google where there is no internet connection. You will see this. I'm not that good at it, but anyways, you will see this and you will be able to play it for as long as you want. And now with this widget, you can have this game right here on the widgets panel. It's pretty awesome having the ability to play right here on the widgets panel without having to open a game or something. You can go ahead and have fun right here without even unlocking your device. So that is it for this video, guys. These are my top 15 must-have widgets for your iPhone on iOS 13. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you enjoyed any of the widgets and they will make your life easier using your iPhone on iOS 13. Again, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like, and also if you want to download the widgets, make sure you check out the pinned comment. You will find there all the links to these apps, which of course will add these widgets to your iPhone. Again, thanks for watching and I will see you guys on the next one.